Hi, I'm Jordan from Matrak. Today I'll show you how to start getting live supply chain and embodied carbon data from your supply chain partners in just a few clicks. To get started, on matrak.com, click the blue Login button. This will take you to the browser app. First, select the grey Not a Member Sign Up button. Enter in your name, last name, email, and a password, as well as some further information, and click the blue Next button. This will send a verification email with a link to your inbox. Please click on this link and you'll be navigated back to this page where you can use your new login credentials. Now click the blue Sign In button. Next, to create a new project, click the blue Create New Project text. Enter in your project name and click Continue Setup. Select the trades that you'll be tracking and click the blue Next button. For embodied carbon tracking, you're going to want to be tracking at least manufacturing, logistics, and installation, but feel free to select any other options before clicking the blue Continue button. Now select embodied carbon tracking and anything else that you'd like to track before clicking the blue Continue button. Finally, for each of the trades that you've selected, select one material that you would like to track. This can always be edited later. If you know the start date that you need this trade to be updating on Matrak, you can also add this date in. Finally, click the blue Looks Good to Me button. Now we can invite the suppliers and subcontractors onto your project. On the left-hand side of the screen, head to the Project Settings button at the bottom and click the second tab, Project Directory. To invite a new company to your project, click the blue Invite Company button and search for this company. If the company is already registered on the Matrak network, an option will appear and you can select that company's account. Before inviting them, you'll need to select their project access. Select the blue Invite and Configure button to invite this company to your project. Finally, we need to make sure that this company only has access to the templates that they need to be dealing with. Click the All Within Materials button to expand out the different materials that we've created from your selections, and make sure to restrict this company's access to any trades materials that do not apply to them. In this case, the company I've invited is a facade company, and so I will make sure that precast materials are restricted from their view. If I also select up the top of the screen my own company, I can see that I have full access to everything and all data. To invite more companies to your project, repeat the same process. And it's as simple as that. Your entire supply chain can now start sharing live data on their supply chain's progress and embodied carbon. To learn how the suppliers can automatically share data and how this data becomes your carbon reporting, please check out the links below or head to matrak.com to get started with a free account.